Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think this is a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very nice move. There are some, headlines, out there with Bitcoin. But I mean, point here being that, from where the price basically was at several times at lows over the weekend to where the price is right now, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a good solid move. But going into the next 24 hours and a couple of days, it now becomes a logical question to say, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the 6,600 mark, which needs to be updated. And this update comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why is that the case? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 6,600. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price does something like this, where it pulls back, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. You'd even have that, that set right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 6,600. And now I do realize crypto markets are open 24/7, but even if you're watching this, let's say, 15, 18, 20 hours from now, the big question you need to ask yourself is, where's the price relative to 6,600? And as long as the price is still up above 6,600, no matter when you watch this, that implies that the price is making progress. And again, as I've talked about, progress is the name of the game because that's what truly strong moves are going to do. So I realize this chart will keep changing, but like I said, no matter when you're watching this, just ask yourself, where's the price at in regards to 6,600? And hopefully I've done a good job enough explaining why that area is now important. So yeah, let's see if the price can stay above it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.